Are you ready for circle time today?
Yes, again.
Yes, again we are ready for circle time, and today we are going to do English.
Uh-huh.
Do we know all our sounds?
Yes.
Yes, so we are going to find words which end with the same sound. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
Let's see. We have to, in this activity, we have to listen to each word and we have to find which two words end with the same sound, okay?
Tan, leg, can.
Ooh, look at that. We have to find the ending sound. Tan ends with what sound? Tan ends with what sound? Mm.
No.
N. Good girl. Tan ends with n sound. Okay. How about this? Leg. Leg ends with what sound? That's starting sound. It's leg starts with l sound. Leg ends with
G.
g sound. You got it. Awesome. Leg ends with g sound. How about can? Can ends with?
K.
It starts with k sound. Ends.
N.
You got it.
No.
So this is 10. 10 ends with n sound.
No.
This was leg. Legs ends with g sound.
Sound.
Can.
N.
N. So 10 and can both end with n sound.
No.
So they are a match. Okay. We have to highlight two pictures which end with the same sound, and they rhyme because they start different and ends the same. They rhyme. Do you remember rhyming words? They are rhyming words. They are
It's
rhyming
Ria.
words.
That's Ria. It's Ria. It's Ria.
Sitting in the beach?
No, that's Ria.
Okay.
It's Ria.
Let's see. Well done. Okay. Now we have 3 more pictures. Let's see what they are, okay?
Pet,
Pet.
hill,
Hill.
cut.
Cut.
She's cutting, ripping.
Yeah, look. So, pet. What is the last sound?
A cut.
Pat.
Pat.
What is the last sound?
Pat.
What is the ending sound? Pat. Start with pa. P. Ends with t. T.
Santa.
Ends with t sound. Pat. T. 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 Okay, next word is hill. Hill. What is the last sound? Ending sound. Start with h. Hill. Ends with
No.
very good. Hill. It ends with l sound.
Sound.
Hill ends with l sound.
Sound.
Pet ends with t sound. Hill ends with l sound.
Sound.
Cut. How about cut? Cut ends with.
Cut.
It starts with k sound. How about ending? K. T.
T.
It ends with.
Cut.
Cut ends with.
Cut.
Cut. Listen. Cut. It ends with t sound.
Sound.
Yeah. So we got pat. It ends with t sound. Hill. It ends with l sound. And we got cut. It ends with t sound. So pet ends with t sound and cut ends with t sound.
Sound.
Okay, cut and pet both ends with t sound.
Sound.
Okay, let's try to do this yourself. Okay, do you know what that is?
Bun,
Bun.
mat,
Mat.
Seeds.
Cat.
That's seeds.
Yeah, some buns have seeds, sesame seeds, And when you toast the bun to eat it, it becomes crunchy.
Mhm.
Yeah. I make burger with my bun.
Fun.
Yes, this is a bun.
Fun.
Listen. Bun. What is the starting sound? B. What is the ending sound? N.
No.
N. In bun, the ending sound is N.
No.
Very good. How about mat?
Mat.
Mat. Mat.
No.
What's the ending sound? Mat. What's the ending sound?
Mat.
T.
Mat.
Mat. What is the ending sound?
Mat.
Can you tell me the sound? T.
T.
Mat. What is the ending sound?
T.
T. How about cat? What's the ending sound?
C-A.
T. Cat.
Cat.
The starting sound is k. The ending sound is
T.
t. T. Very good. Mat had T as the ending sound. Cat had T as the ending sound. They match. But bun had ending sound as mm. So which two words ends with the same sound?
bun, mat, cat,
Which two words? Which should I highlight?
Cat.
Cat. Okay. What else?
Sandwich.
Hmm?
No.
Which one?
Sandwich.
We need to find two words. So we have to highlight two pictures. Okay. And both that picture should end with the same sound. So Ria said highlight cat.
Cat.
So I highlighted cat. Cat ends with t
C.
sound.
It's C.
Yeah,
There,
it's a
there's
C. Very good. In welcome you can see C. Very good. But we are looking for sound. Okay.
Sandwich.
Cat and mat.
Mat.
Cat and mat ends with same sound.
Sandwich thing.
Which is the ending sound for mat?
Cat. Mat and cat.
Mat and cat. They end with t sound.
Sandwich.
Mat.
Mat.
What is the ending sound for mat?
M.
That's the starting sound.
Mat. Mama. Mom. Mom. Here, Mom.
Mat.
Mat. Mat.
Mat. Mat and cat have the same sound.
You did get a chocolate. Jam. She takes
Jam. What is this?
Nice.
jam, rat, cot,
Rat. Cot.
Cot.
Jam. We need to find two words that ends with the same sound. What is the
One.
ending sound for jam? Jam.
Jam.
What's the sound?
Jam.
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 Mm.
Jam.
What's the first sound of jam? What's the first sound? Jam. 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 What's the first sound?
Jam.
First sound is
T.
jam. What's the first sound?
J.
J is the first sound. What's the second sound? Jam. A is the second sound.
Sound.
Jam.
Jam.
M is the third sound. Jam. What is the starting sound? J. What is the ending sound? M.
M.
What is the ending sound in jam?
M.
You got it! M is the ending sound in jam. Good job! High five! Now let's do rat. R-at. R-at. What is the last sound in rat?
R.
R is the first sound. R-at. What is the last sound?
Rat. R.
R is the first sound. We are looking for last sound. R, at.
Rat.
What's the last sound? This is the first sound. What is the second sound?
A.
A. What's the third sound?
T.
T. And is there anything after T? No.
No.
So T is the last sound.
Last.
She's the last one coming. There's no more.
Yes.
So they are asking what is the last one coming in this word.
What?
So when Ria hear R, at, there's no more after T sound. We say stop after T. R, at, stop. R, at, T. T
T.
is the last sound.
Last sound.
Okay, T is the last sound. And this is caught. K, t. K, t. Stop. K, t. Stop. What is the last sound?
Caught.
Caught is the word. What is the
Word.
last sound? Who is the last one to come in?
Caught.
First one is, see, this is a door. So first C is coming, K, then A, then T,
Ah.
and then stop. Who's the last one to come?
O.
So first K, see, this is a door. First C came, K, then O came, A, then T came, T, K, A, T, and then they say stop. They closed the door. Who came at the end? Who came last?
T.
T came last. T is the last sound. Let's highlight T. So, caught has T as the end sound. Rat had T as the end sound. And jam had as the last sound. So, rat and caught both have T as the last sound.
It is light blue.
Very good. We need more practice, okay? Then we will do sounds in order, okay? Next.